filming it?
So go ahead.
Go ahead. What are you looking at me for?
I just want to say, Grandma and Grandpa, congratulations on your anniversary. I hope it's fantastic. I can't do this. I'm sorry. Hang on. See, you gotta just turn it off now. Like, we're gonna start.
Now.
It's
Try it
I
again.
can do this.
Maybe we should all leave. I don't know.
Yeah, that would help.
One more.
Well, like,
Quit talking in there!
We're playing the correct game!
I want to say hello to everybody, and a happy anniversary to Grandma and Grandpa. A happy 50th anniversary.
Take
Okay.
50. Here you
Okay.
go.
Hi everybody, my name's Trent. I'm Jerry and Linda's grandson, and I'm a third-class cadet at the U.S. Air Force Academy. I couldn't be with you tonight because I'm going to be getting ready for my final exams, but I wanted to wish Grandma and Grandpa a happy 50th anniversary, and I hope you all have a great time tonight. Grandma and Grandpa, I love you very much, and I can't wait to see you again soon.